Hi, I'm Scott from Volkswagen New Zealand, and this is our e-Kombi.
And can you tell me a little bit about how it came to be here at Fieldays?
So the Kombi we have here is a 1966. We found it about 2 years ago in a barn in Timaru. It worked for the Southland Health Board, so it was a shuttle for Dunedin's hospital. When we found it, it was in a bit of a sad state. Didn't have any wheels, all the windows were in a box, and the engine was all seized. So we wanted to breathe some new life into this amazing new car. So we bought it through a company called The Surgery. And what The Surgery do is restore classics like this. So the project we wanted to do was to create an electric Kombi. So the kit that we use from this is sourced out of California, and the batteries are sourced from an e-Golf. So the vehicle, as it stands now, has 3 times the power when it rolled out of the factory in 1966.
And how does that affect performance?
How it increases performance. So the vehicle can now comfortably do 100 k's an hour on the open road. It has about 180 kilometers range. We dropped out the fuel tank and replaced it with quite a large bank of batteries. Nice and clean. You have a look in the inside. It's a beautiful restoration. The paint, when we found it, was about 15 shades of brown. However, we found the original paint code from 1966, so it's a genuine Volkswagen cream. The bottom wrap that we chose was a sustainable wrap, so it can be recycled and is 90% recycled material as well.
How do people find out more about this vehicle?
Yep, so if they visit our website at volkswagen.co.nz and then follow the link to the KEV project, and you'll see the day it rolled in and the day it rolled out and every step in between.
Okay, it's great.
Sweet.
Thanks very much.
No worries.
Thanks for watching that video. Here's another video which I hope will also be of interest. And if you're thinking about it, a subscribe to the channel would be great.